So a concept related to distillation is reflux. Now refluxing we can think of as kind of a special case of distillation. So with distillation we typically are trying to separate two different compounds, and one's going to come off the top of the distillation column, the other is going to stay in the distillation flask. Well in this case we kind of want everything to go back down into the distillation flask. So what happens is sometimes we have reactions that we need high temperatures to drive those reactions, but we have volatile compounds involved. So a reflux column would be set up something similar to this. So depending on how volatile your compound is, you may have more columns on top of it. But we would run cooling water through this single condenser column, and we would put it on top of our reaction flask, and we would heat the bottom of it. Now, as these vapors begin to come off, the condenser column will begin to drop them back down. And what we would see during a typical reflux experiment is wetting of the column and the drops coming back down. Now, the idea of this is what we want to call infinite reflux. So basically, everything that gets evaporated comes right back down. Now, with refluxing, there is a specific definition that is associated with distillation. We're kind of using a limiting case here. But the big picture here is that with reflux, what you're trying to do is you're trying to keep your more volatile compounds in the reaction mixture. Because again, there's just some times where we have to run these reactions at high temperatures, and if we just ran them as an open flask like this, they would all just kind of boil out and be lost.